Oh my gosh, you guys. I just put in 6 strawberry Pop-Tarts into the bottom of my crock pot here. Okay, Pop-Tarts are in. We have some strawberries here, and I'm just pouring them all on the top, making a nice layer of strawberries. I put 2 pounds of strawberries, so it took me 2 containers, and then I chopped, that one does not look good. I chopped them up, and we'll take that one out too. Chop them up into 4 pieces a piece, so quarters, and there we have it. Wow, okay, those strawberries look delicious. Now we're going to take some, I decided to get the cream cheese kind. You can get whatever kind you like. And we are just gonna pour this glaze right over top of the strawberries that are on the Pop-Tarts. Wow, look at how good. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this crock-pot dessert. It's so easy to do and it's such a fun twist. And who doesn't like fun stuff? Okay, so we got that going on. We are coming in with some strawberry cake mix. Of course, I went with the super moist because there is no other option, right? We're pouring it all on top of that cream cheese glaze that we just put on. All right, perfect. I am just going to spread around, take my spatula here, I'm just spreading around the cake mix just because I want it to just be a nice even layer on top. Okay, don't have to
You don't need to mix?
What? No, you don't even need to mix. This is a type of a dump cake and we're making it in the crock pot, which is gonna make it super moist and you guys are gonna love to see how this turns out. All right, so we got some butter here. It's conveniently already pre-sliced. All right, let's see. Okay, so we're just gonna take our piece of butter and we are laying a layer of these butter slices all the way on top of our strawberry cake mix.
Yum.
Oh my goodness, if you guys do this, you could change up with whatever type of Pop-Tart you want and what flavor you want to go with. And I do want to know, what would you choose? I'm choosing strawberry today because the fresh strawberries looked really good at the grocery store and I've just kind of been in the mood for strawberry, but there are plenty of other options and I want to know what you would choose. Okay, we're almost done here. I'm just gonna put a little bit more pieces. Now this was a 1/4 cup of butter that were sliced up and I'm pretty much gonna use the whole thing. So just an FYI. Okay. Butter. Love me some butter. This is gonna make the top of it so good. Oh gosh, I can smell the strawberry, you guys. I'm getting really excited over here, can you tell? So we have our Pop-Tarts, then we have our strawberries, we have our cream cheese glaze, and then we have our cake mix with some butter slices on top, and that is all we need. So I'm gonna take this lid here to this crock pot, stick that on top. I am turning it on high, and it's gonna be on high for 2 hours. We're gonna check on it, but I think that's all we'll need, and stick around. I can't wait to try this. Ooh. Oh my goodness, our strawberry dump Pop-Tart cake is done. Oh, look at that. It looks so good. I wish that you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, the strawberry. I'm just going in with a spoon here. Look at how moist that is. Wow, I'm just gonna use my spoon here to spoon me out all of that strawberry goodness. Yum, this looks delicious. I want to make sure I get some Pop-Tart in there too. Oh wow, this is like, it almost smells like a strawberry shortcake. I bet you if you wanted to serve this with a little bit of vanilla ice cream, oh, that'd be so good. I know it's hot, but oh, it smells so good. I think it's gonna be really good with the cream cheese frosting. It was hot. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like too hot. I want to take like a really big bite, but I don't want to burn my tongue. Oh my gosh, the cake is so moist and so good with those fresh strawberries. Wow, if you guys try this, for sure you're gonna love it. What a fun thing to do with Pop-Tarts. Who would have thought? Give it a try, let us know what you think.